The present simple. The present simple is one of the first tenses students learn in almost every English course. And yet, many students find it difficult to learn and to use. I have met some students that tell me they don't know exactly when to use the present simple. It is not difficult. It's actually really easy and you can find it everywhere. In your house, in your neighborhood, at work, in nature, in your everyday life. Today, I'm going to take you out to find things we can describe using the present simple. We're going to see people, places, animals probably. Let's go!
The sun rises in the morning. Birds sing loudly. Ducks swim in the lake. People buy groceries in the store. The air blows. People drive their cars. Kids play in the park in the afternoons. When it's not cloudy, the moon shines. People take the bus. People run around the lake in the mornings every day.
See, it's really not that difficult. Now, can you use the present simple to talk about things that happen outside or around you? Write it in the comment section or tag me on an Instagram story.
Like, leave your comment and share. Follow @OutTheTeacher for more content on English learning.